guys, I'm just doing a USB upgrade for Windows 10. So if you've got the original Windows 10 software with your registry key and everything, you can download an upgraded version with all the latest drivers and security updates onto a USB drive, and you can it has to be 8 gig minimum. I'm currently doing that now. It could take a little while, but I'll just show you how to get there. So just go to here we go. Here I'll go back to Google, and you should be able to call it Windows Install Media. There you go, and that'll bring it to this search. Click on here and it takes you to this page. Actually, no, it doesn't. It takes you to the main page, and then you can select Windows 10, then download tool now. Download the tool, it'll download to your downloads folder, and then run the software. And once the software is run, it will take you to this system here, and you basically select USB, not the DVD image or ISO image, and don't select the upgrade, just go to the next one down saying create USB backup disk. So this could take a little while, so I'm going to pause this, and I'll get back once it's done about 25%. Finally it's finished. It took about 2 hours, and that's it. So now it should be on the drive. Yep, 3.9 gig. So now that's ready for loading on. Cool, thanks very much. Cheers.